Hello everyone, Temi here, and I just want to quickly drop an update. So, if you're watching the last video, which is the product lifecycle part 2 on my YouTube channel, you will notice that there is a sound playing into the video till like the third minute. This wasn't intentional, it wasn't how the video was uploaded. Um, I've been reading since last night, which is 6th May 2026. I started reading around 11, and the time is 4:30, 7th May 2026. And I just noticed that I got this notification on YouTube that some of my videos were flagged, and it's because of the intro videos, and it means that when I get monetized, I won't be able to earn from those videos. I had like 20 of them. So what I did was to erase the sound. But I think for the last, which is the product life cycle, I replaced with another song, and that song played till the third minute into the video. So please, if you are watching it, it was intentional. That was not how the video was uploaded. It was just a mistake on my part, and it's not even about earning. I know that if I should leave it there, at the point I'll get tired and want to delete all the videos, and I don't want to do that because people are really learning from those videos. So please, you can just pick it up from the third minute down to the 13th minute. This is for the product life cycle part 2 video. I am really sorry about this. I was really tired when I was making those corrections, but just do it from the third minute down to the 13th minute. I'm very sure you still pick something from that video. It won't be so easy for me to re-upload, or shoot the video again and now re-upload. I don't even have that original one anymore. But yeah, that's just what I want to say. The video was not uploaded that way. It was just a mistake, and allow. All right, thank you very much. I'm actually very tired, and I just said let me before I go and sleep. I need to just quickly put this out there, and I have to be up by 8:30 for my daily scrum call. But I just said let me put it out there so that people know. Thank you very much, and bye.